These pinwheel cookies don't only taste good, but they're really cute. Actually, it's my favorite cookie to make because they're so easy. For those who want to try this, I have added the ingredient list at the end of the video. Start by taking the butter out of the fridge. Leave it come to room temperature for 30 minutes. Then it is very easy to cream with a mixer. Add 1 egg and half of the sugar. Mix, then repeat with the second egg. Add a flavor at this time too. Continue mixing until the sugar is almost dissolved, about 5 minutes. The butter mixture is creamy and looks uniform. It's time to add the flour and salt. Start mixing the ingredients with a spoon or spatula. When the cookie dough starts to form, it becomes harder to mix. It is easier to mix by hand. You know the dough is ready when all the flour has been incorporated, and it sticks together in one blob. Then, divide it in 2 approximately equal parts, 1 for each color. There is more than one way to make a dough sheet, but the easiest way for this cookie is to use plastic bags. The advantage is that you can make perfect dough sheets that are equal in size. You have to use sturdy bags. After you make the dough sheet, place it in the refrigerator with the bag and leave it for 20 minutes to harden a little. When you want to remove the dough sheet, just cut along the left and right side of the bag with respect to the opening. By cutting the sides of the bag, it becomes just a plastic sheet easy to remove. If you want to stop the dough from going further, all you have to do is fold the bag. I should mention that if you're using a Ziploc bag, it is better to cut the part that locks. It leaves an indentation in the dough. To make the chocolate dough, mix the cocoa powder with milk or water until you obtain a thick paste. It should have the same consistency as the dough. Mix this paste into the dough with your hands. The dough is very soft, and it doesn't take long. Once the color of the dough becomes uniform, place it in the plastic bag and make a sheet with the same size as the previous one. After 20 minutes in the refrigerator, remove the dough from the bags and place on top of each other. Start pressing the ends together, then roll the 2 sheets together in a tight log. Roll the dough log a few times to give it a round shape. You can leave it like that or cover it in chopped cashews, sprinkles, you name it. At this point the cookies are done, but it is better to cover the log in food wrap and leave in the refrigerator overnight. When you're ready to bake, all you have to do is slice the log into 1/4-inch slices. Because they stayed in the refrigerator, the cookies are easy to cut. Then, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the cookies on it. Leave generous spaces between the cookies because they grow in the oven. Bake the cookies in the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes 12 to 15 minutes, and when done, the underside should be browned a little. Don't they look cute? The ingredients, quantities, and instructions how to make the cookies are next. We're done for now. Enjoy!